Changes that could happen to your body if you lifted up your legs for 20 minutes every day. We have gotten used to living at full speed and staying in constant motion. That's why today many people highly appreciate effective exercise that require much effect and time. For example, we have found an exercise that will help you shake off tiredness and dramatically improve your mood in just 20 minutes a day. Body Health has realized the effectiveness of this exercise and learned out how to receive as many benefits from it as possible. Lift up your legs correctly. First, pick a comfortable position near a wall and put a pillow or a soft roller under your lower back. Second, lift up your legs and stretch them along the wall. Your hands should be relaxed down by the sides of your body. Third, stay in this position for 15 to 20 minutes. It is important that your clothes don't block or interfere with blood circulation. Choose to wear the most comfortable loose clothes without waistbands. Obviously, lying motionless on the floor for 20 minutes doesn't sound like regular exercise. It's more like yoga or a relaxation technique. Nevertheless, this pastime has a lot of benefits to the circulatory system. The only limitation to this exercise is a recent or chronic injury of the legs or spine. Additionally, many beginners seem to make the following mistakes: lying down too far from a wall or too closely to it, or putting too soft a roller under the neck. Such actions can lead to muscle tension and can interfere with the leveling of the spine. If you do such leg lifts on a regular basis, very soon you will feel a lot of pleasant changes. First, the feeling of heaviness in your legs will disappear. The feeling of swelling and heaviness in the legs is connected. The poor blood circulation, among other reasons. This could be caused by heart or kidney malfunction, excess weight, or an unhealthy diet. Certainly, you need to determine the reason for the swelling and treat it. But this exercise might become a very good addition to the main treatment, since the lifting of the legs contributes to improvement in blood circulation. Second, no more tiredness when wearing high heels. No one will dispute that high heels make a woman look great. However, if you love to wear this kind of footwear all the time, it can do a disservice to your health. Women often feel tired when wearing high heels because of the poor body weight distribution it causes. When you get home, take off your shoes, lift up your legs and relax. The thing is, our legs get really tired by the end of the day. You should give them some rest by changing the position of your body and improving the venous duct. In addition to this exercise, you can also slightly massage the legs and take a warm shower. Third, your digestion will improve. Laying with your legs lifted up improves the work of your stomach. The blood supply to the internal organs are improved through drainage of the blood from the legs. Smooth muscles that are responsible for peristalsis of the stomach get toned at the same time. The increased blood circulation improves the work of the digestive system. If you do this exercise regularly, most nutrients you consume will be quickly absorbed. Fourth, your nervous system won't be stressed. In this position, you will be more relaxed and will then breathe in more air. Body tissue gets more oxygen and blood circulation improves, supplying all inner organs with nutrients. This is beneficial to the nervous system and reduces muscle tension around the temples, neck, and stomach. Fifth, your quality of sleep will improve. One of the reasons for insomnia is a recurring unpleasant feeling in the legs. Regular leg lifts will help you get rid of these symptoms. Moreover, the brain will receive more oxygen through the right breathing and improved blood circulation. Your sleep will become deeper and better. Staying in this position is similar to a meditation, meaning a person doesn't get distracted by minor problems, keeping the body and mind at peace.